What's going on, guys? Welcome once again to Team Bodybuilding India. This is your friend Shreyas. And friends, in this video, as you guys read from the title, we are going to review SAN 100% Platinum Whey Protein. So this comes after a positive response on our Facebook fan page where I posted a picture of the supplement and you guys asked me to unbox as well as review this supplement. So hence we are doing this review. So I have not yet opened this container and I was dying to taste this, and hence today I decided to review it. So first of all, we will tell you whether the supplement is fake or real and whether the supplement is genuine, and then we'll go on to the taste test as well as the nutritional facts, and I'll tell you whether this supplement is worth buying or not, because at its original price it's not that cheap a protein, it's very costly as well. So I'll tell you why this supplement is costly and many other things, and I'll do it as fast as possible in the shortest amount of time. So first of all, to check the genuinity of the supplement, here we have this what you call outer covering, and we are trying to remove this now, and I have removed it, which means that it passes the first test, that is the outer covering, which means that outer sealing, which means that there are chances this is a genuine supplement. And to cover it off, we have the distributor name as well. I don't know whether it's focusing, but we have the distributor name. It's called Elio World Gym. So I don't know the official distributors, guys, because I was not able to find it. If you guys know it, please let us know in the comments box below. Here it is written Elio World Gym. So two things are done. So the next thing would be the packaging, in the sense the way the supplement looks, and it looks pretty good and doesn't look like it has any tamperings or any damages in the container. So this passes as well. This is in this also, this supplement passes. And we have the expiry date, and this product expires on in March 2016, so a long time to go. So few outer things are done. Now we'll open the lid. Oh, very good, guys. So look, we also have the inner sealing as well, and it looks pretty good, and it's time for us to review it. One is off. Yeah, buddy. So we have removed this sheet as well. I'm not good at this, guys. So this is a 2.24 kilogram container which gives 73 servings. So here it is, guys. Here is the fresh protein. So as Chris Jones does it. So this is, I think, the creamy vanilla flavor. So this guys, this supplement is genuine, and looking at this container, and you can tell that the supplement looks very genuine. And to top it off, we have the scoop right on the top. So supplement is genuine, guys, and if you're buying the supplement, buy it from Health Card, because even I got it from Health Card, and also they have the hologram right over here. So Health Card send me a genuine supplement. Thanks, Health Card. And now it's time for me to tell you guys the nutritional facts of the supplement. So I'll be displaying a picture as well, but for the timing I'll read it off. So one serving or one scoop is 29.9 grams, that is 30 grams, and you have 1.6 grams of fat. Total carbohydrates 2.2 gram, awesome while dieting, very low carb, and 23 grams of protein, little bit lower than the normal whey protein standard, but 23 grams of protein, which means 46% of this per scoop contains protein, 1% of carbohydrates, and 2% of fat. So this is this, guys, and daily values, that is 46%. So a very good supplement when it comes to nutritional facts. Now let us go to the amino acid profile. It has L-alanine, L-arginine, L-aspartic acid, L-cysteine, L-glutamic acid, L-glycine, and L-leucine as well, out of which per 100 gram we have L-leucine, which is 10.23 grams, not bad, and L-glycine 2.6 grams, L-glutamic acid 17.62 grams, very good, guys. And we have L-valine as well, that is 5.90 grams. So if you get like 3 scoops of this protein in a day, you will get your required BCAAs as well from this. So a BCAA supplement is not necessary because of the amino acid profile of the supplement. So that was the nutritional facts, and few more advantages they have mentioned in the front of this container is aspartame free, and it supports protein synthesis, and this is just to market, guys. More whey peptides and whey protein fractions, which means that easy digestion will take place. More branch chain amino acids, as I said. More glutamine peptides. So glutamine branch chain amino acid supplements are not necessary if you are taking the supplement. And we have the supplement is aspartame free. If you guys are scared of having aspartame as a sweetener, then the supplement is free of that, and you need not be worried about the artificial sweetener. So guys, I have got my shaker cup ready. In the container they have mentioned me to add 1 scoop in 6 to 8 ounces of water. Here I have got 7 ounces of water, so I have got my shaker cup. I'll take 1 scoop, 1 perfect scoop. I'll add this shit into the water. And sorry guys, I'm not supposed to have milk on this diet, so I'm really sorry that I can't show you a review with milk, but let me show you guys how it mixes off with water. And we are going to close this shit over here. Close it, shake it. Okay guys, so I've done shaking, and let me just open up this for you. So guys, as you can see, I feel that it mixes really well. To be honest with you guys, we have not formed any the protein didn't shake onto the shaker and stick onto the shaker, and it looks perfectly fine, and it mixes really well as well. So now judgment time. Trust me guys, 99.99999% of the people look for the taste in whey protein. No research has found out this, but this is what I felt, and I can relate with you guys, because results will come, but intelligent guys will know that only whey protein will not give you results. So whey protein, a good tasting whey protein is what everybody needs. So it's time to taste this protein. What do you think guys? Trust me guys, trust me. I'm not a big fan of vanilla flavors, but this one is really good, really good. And looking at the reviews on the website Healthcart, I did find some great reviews. Look at this guys, nothing is present, everything mixed pretty well. And as usual, I'm not being paid by anyone to make this review. This review is basically for you guys, so that you can have a variety of options when you are going to choose your whey protein. So taste wise, 9 on 10 maybe, because I am a very casual guy. I'll give good reviews if the supplements are good, and 9 out of 10 for this when it comes to taste. Nutritional facts, pretty good guys. For me this will really help, because I'm on a diet, very low carb diet. It will really help me guys, will really help me. So guys, this supplement is a complete winner when it comes to the taste, as well as the supplement facts and the ingredients used. So this supplement is pretty good, but the problem with this supplement would be the price. The MRP of this supplement is 6,999 rupees. That is 7,000 rupees. The only reason I got this was because I got a 50% offer. That is, I got this supplement for 2,900 I think. So that is the reason I got this supplement, and I would recommend this supplement for people who can fit this supplement into their budget. But if you are looking for something at a lower price, I would still recommend Ultimate Nutrition. or something like Muscle Tech or any other whey protein. So I wouldn't recommend this for guys who can't fit this into the budget, because you'll get the same thing out of different protein supplements. So that is that, guys. But totally a winner. I was really looking forward to this, and I'm really in love with this. Once I finish my Arnold series whey, I'll be using this supplement, and this is why I review different supplements, guys, so that you guys can get a view on the advantages and disadvantages of different supplement. The one thing where the supplement stands out is aspartame free, and people were scared of aspartame, and very good branch chain amino acid profile. That is also why, and ingredients as well, guys, very good ingredients and nutritional facts top notch. So when I was doing this video, I cut this video in between because I got another supplement delivered to my house, that is Dymatize Elite 100% whey protein. So if you guys want me to review this supplement as well, let me know in the comments box down below. I'll review it for you very soon when I get time. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions regarding these supplements or any other thing related to fitness, do leave it in the comments box down below. And if you like this video and if this video was informative, please do give a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Many things related to workouts coming very soon, guys. That's pretty much it. I'll be back again. Train hard, stay fit. Goodbye.